Nnamdi Kanu to appear in court tomorrow, July 18th, as announced by Justice Omotosho today. All right, my dear listeners, finally, Justice Omotosho has decided to announce the trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tomorrow. Yes, the trial of the IPOP leader will be coming up tomorrow as everyone is prepared to be on standby. Are you on standby? If I may ask you. Yes. As for me, I am on standby. I don't know about you, but I tell you, it's very good that you are on standby to make it a reality and also a fact. Yes, my dear listeners, for you to know that what I'm saying is a reality, you'll be hearing the voice on the background that will be revealing everything that will be said tomorrow and all that we'll be expecting tomorrow as Omotosho has finally, given his own, opinion concerning what we'll be expecting for tomorrow's trial. Now, pay attention. Please give me a little of your time as I send this information to you. Now, let's listen.
And he only allow 10 persons to, permission to go to court tomorrow in this case, for the reason best known to him. And part of the reason he cited was that tomorrow's court, that they need space. That space will not be there for 20 persons from Nnamdi Kanu's side. All right. Before we go into more details about this case, let us understand the reason why Justice James Omotosho stops 10 people from attending Nnamdi Kanu case tomorrow. Now, this is article from Sarah Reporters, and it reads that the federal judge again bars Ore from attending Nnamdi Kanu's trial slated for Friday, that is tomorrow. And this is the details. It reads that the Federal High Court in Abuja has once again barred human rights activist and former presidential candidate Omotosho from attending the ongoing trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOP, citing limited courtroom space. So that is what Justice James Omotosho said, that there will be limited courtroom space. In other words, maybe the chairs will not be enough for the whole people that are going to come. The trial scheduled for Friday, July 18 has drawn significant public interest. On Wednesday, a list of 20 individuals was submitted to the court, including Showore, for clearance to attend the proceedings. However, the judge's chamber later informed that only 10 persons would be granted access due to space constraints. As a result of several names were removed from the list, including Showore and several defense lawyers, only senior advocates of Nigeria and a few others were approved to be present at the hearing. So this is also strange to me that some lawyers won't be allowed to be in court tomorrow. Yeah, I think maybe because they are not going tomorrow to do case. They are going tomorrow to hear from the judge. I think that is just the reason why. Because it's strange that Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, some of them will be barred not to attend court sitting tomorrow. Now, the article continues that meanwhile, on June 19, the Nigerian government officially closed its case against Nnamdi Kanu. The prosecution led by Adegboyaga Awomondo, senior advocate of Nigeria, concluded his presentation after his fifth witness finished testifying. In response, the defense counsel, Kanu Agabi, senior advocate of Nigeria, informed the court of plans to file a no-case submission, arguing that the prosecution had failed to establish a prima facie case against his client. Justice James Omotosho, the trial judge, granted the defense 14 days to file its written address on the no-case submission, with the prosecution giving an additional 14 days.
My dear listeners, this is rubbish. Whether they are going to court to hear from only the judge, it's still rubbish. Why will you be reducing the number of people that are supposed to appear for tomorrow's trial? And besides, if you check those people that they removed from observing tomorrow's hearing, you will see that they are the cogent people. They are the people that matters. They are the people who they supposed to give um, uh, 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 the preference. They are the people who have been making points, attacking the federal government, and also making uh, um, um, uh, the federal government to be completely frustrated when they try to play the politics that they know how to play better. You will see that these are the people that they purposely removed. Look at Shore, for example. They have seen Shore to be a bottleneck and also a threat to their to their victory. They are afraid of defeat. I'm telling you. And if you decide to give this a deep check, you'll see that Tinubu knows all of this. Federal government, in fact, I really give Nnamdi Kanu kudos for being able to defeat the federal government of Nigeria. But I bet you, if dem try am, say dem dey comot Nnamdi Kanu lead lawyer Ejiofor, dem no fit try am now. Because we've heard it that they only gave preference to